All right, last video of the day for me. It's about time to clock out. All right, so this video is going to be on using distribution when solving one variable equations. So all four of these examples are going to be solving equations, one variable equations, and the first step is going to be distribution, okay? So I got my handy, foolproof step one, step two method of solving equations off to the side. Step one is making sure both sides are simplified first. Step two is then you begin to cancel stuff out, all right, using inverse operations. And first you cancel out addition, subtraction. Second, you cancel out multiplication, division. All right, so what I mean by simplify both sides first, oh, my yawn. Do it. All right, sorry. So what I mean by simplify both sides first is cover up the right side of the equation. I look at that, and I see that's not simplified. I need to distribute. So I am going to distribute this positive 3. And I get 3 times x, which is 3x, and then 3 times positive 2, which is positive 6. Now if I cover up that side, is that simplified? Got a fly in here too, man. Yawning, got flies flying around. Definitely time to clock out. Okay, anyways. Now I cover that up and yeah, simplified now. So I can't combine those terms. They're not like terms. I can't do anything more. Now if I cover up this side, well, that right side is definitely simplified. So now, gosh, oh, I want to yawn still. All right. Now I'm going to cancel terms out that I do not want. And I cancel out addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to cancel out this addition first. So minus 6, minus 6. Cancels out, cancels out. So I get 3x equals 15 minus 6 is 9. Then I cancel out multiplication. And I do that with division. And I get x equals 3. All right. Same thing for this next problem. Cover up this side and I see that's not simplified and I need to distribute. So I'm going to distribute this negative 2 through. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6, and then I just got 20. Covered up, simplify now. We're good to go. Step 1 done, now I'm on step 2, so I'm going to cancel out. So subtract 6, subtract 6. I get negative 2x equals 14. Cancel out multiplication with division. So divide by 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. That all goes away. And then I am left with x equals negative 7. All right, foolproof method. All right, step 1, simplify. And then step 2 is cancel things out one by one. All right. 2 more examples. Let's breeze through them real quick like. Okay. So actually what I would do at this point in time, if I was you, and I'm probably gonna make my students do this by making an Edpuzzle video out of this, Edpuzzle assignment, is I would pause right now and I would try this for yourself. You've seen 2 examples, try it for yourself. So pause, try it right now. Okay, so now I'm going to solve it. So I'm going to distribute this negative 4 through. That's step 1 because I need to simplify this left side. Negative 4 times negative x is positive 4x. Negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. Now it's simplified, so now I begin step 2 process, which is cancel out the things I don't want. by canceling out subtraction first. 4x equals 26. All right, and then to get rid of multiplication, I divide. Well, ain't this dandy? 4 doesn't go into 26. So I'm going to show how I would want my students to answer this. So I would get x equals, this would be 26/4. Now, there are, I would say, 3 acceptable answers for my students to answer this problem with. One of them would be x equals 26/4, because they're typing it in on a computer. So 26/4, that's 26/4. Another one would be 26 divided by 4 is 6.5. I want to say it's 6.5. Use a calculator. 26 divided by 4, 6.5. And then the other one would be if I was to simplify this. Both of these are divisible by 2, so if you know anything about simplifying fractions, if I can divide a 2 out of both of them, that would be 13 halves. Okay, so these are the 3 acceptable answers for this. All right. Next one. Covered up. Don't like it. So another thing I don't like about this is a lot of people just say distribute the negative, but you're not just distributing the negative. Gosh, I got it again. Good thing this is the last one. I hope I'm not making any of you yawn. Okay, what I don't like about this is you don't just distribute the negative. What you're distributing is this this invisible -1. So I'm distributing a -1. Okay. So -1 times x is -x. -1 times +5 is -5. All right. That's simplified now. Good to go. Let's move on to step 2, which is cancel out. So add 5, add 5. Cancels out. Now, for some reason, this seems to sometimes for certain students blow their mind. They don't know what to do. This also cancels out. I get that. But 0 is a number. We can do math with 0. You can type in 0 on your calculator. You can do math with 0. So it doesn't just disappear. It becomes a 0. -5 plus 5 is 0. So this whole time that I'm saying that these cancel out, what I'm saying is it's now 0. And there's really no point, if I write over here to the side, there's really no point in saying -x plus 0 equals 0. I don't need to write that 0 because it's pointless. However, I do need to write the 0 because if there's nothing else on this other side, then 0 is really important. But because this -x is on the left side, I don't need to write this 0. It's kind of like a placeholder of we need something over there, and what's over there, the value of the right side of this equation is now 0. And the value of this side of the equation is -x. This side's 0 though, okay? Well, the last step is multiply everything by a -1 because I don't want that negative there, so that's gonna go away. And I get x equals 0 because 0 times anything is 0. So 0 times -1 is 0. So there's my answer. All right, well, I am gonna end this video before I yawn again. Thank you for watching, and I hope that was helpful. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna end it there because I'm tired. Checking out.